Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best air conditioning unit for your bedroom, the GE Window Air Conditioner Unit with 5000 BTU cooling power. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-install AC that's perfect for small rooms, this might just be the ideal choice for you. This GE Window Air Conditioner is designed specifically to cool spaces up to 150 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, small living rooms, studio apartments, or home offices. Its 5000 BTU cooling capacity ensures your room stays comfortably cool even on the hottest days, without overworking the unit or consuming excessive energy. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its mechanical controls. With 2 cooling modes and 2 fan speeds, you have the flexibility to adjust the airflow and temperature to your exact comfort level. The mechanical thermostat offers 10 different temperature settings, allowing you to fine-tune the cooling effect without any complicated digital interface. Noise can be a major concern when it comes to air conditioners, especially in bedrooms where peace and quiet matter the most. The GE unit excels here with a low noise operation, producing about 56 decibels, which is gentle enough not to disturb your sleep or daily activities. You can enjoy cool air without the distraction of a loud humming machine. Installation is a breeze with the included Easy Mount installation kit, designed to fit double-hung windows that measure between 27 and 36 inches wide and about 13 inches high. The fixed chassis design adds stability and ensures the unit stays securely in place once installed. Plus, the removable and washable filter makes maintenance simple and helps keep the air clean by trapping dust and allergens. Dimension-wise, this unit is compact, measuring roughly 15 inches deep, 16.36 inches wide, and 12.56 inches tall, which allows it to fit comfortably in most standard windows without taking up too much space. Weighing around 36.5 pounds, it's manageable enough for one person to install without much hassle. In terms of energy efficiency, this GE air conditioner comes with a Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, or SEER, of 11. While it may not be the highest rating on the market, it strikes a good balance between performance and power consumption for small room cooling. To sum up, the GE 5000 BTU window air conditioner offers excellent cooling for small rooms with simple mechanical controls, quiet operation, and straightforward installation. Whether you're upgrading your bedroom or adding an efficient cooling solution to your home office, this unit is a smart and affordable choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.